going on, everybody? Yes, Flash Jones, I'm back. Something else for you guys. And in this one, giving you guys an expedited step-by-step shot on exactly what I did to get my old diesel shop lit up. So, yes, I will be kind of stepping in from time to time to explain some things, but primarily I want you guys to get a nice cold beverage, sit back, and enjoy the show. Here we go. So right there a second ago, you see I'm laying down some double-sided tape. I'll post that in the description where I got that from. But I did some cleaning using some rubbing alcohol to clean and prep the surfaces for the double-sided tape. And now I'm just laying that tape down where I want my lights to go. So right here, I got to drill a hole for the wires to come out that are lining around the top. So I started at about a 1/8 drill bit, and I pretty much just walked that all the way up to about a 1/4 inch. A 1/4 inch at the end of it might have been a little bit too big, but I wanted to make sure I had enough gap and space there for if I ever wanted to add any other wires or anything later on in the future. I used this glue here to glue a piece of styrene down that I had laying around. I spray painted it to match the base of the shop to kind of create like a false wall. So one thing to keep in mind, folks, is especially if you're watching this video prior to build and complete assembly of your diesel shop, I would highly recommend that you install your lighting now, not when your house is fully finished. Because the main reason when my lights are lining the floor of my shop and not attached, so to say, to the platform shining down, that's actually what I would prefer. But the reason why they're on the floor is because it's really tight. It's a really tight fit, and to get everything perfect, it just seemed a lot easier and a lot more practical for me to line the floor with the double-sided tape, and then obviously with these LEDs. But had I had the vision to see what I wanted down the line, which this diesel shop has been built for a couple years now, I would have absolutely had my lights attached to the floor of the platform shining down, so that they would have been much harder to see. But in the end, you're never really going to see these lights in operation, because there's going to be engines inside the shop, so they're never really going to be able to be viewed unless you're taking a look at the inside of the shop. So I guess it just comes down to personal preference. For me, this is okay. But if I had an option to do it all over again, which I've built 3 or 4 diesel shops now, I would have absolutely attached at least the floor lights up under the platforms. right, good people. So as we get ready to wind this thing on down, again, I would absolutely recommend, if you guys are going to do something like this on a diesel shop, that you would try to think down the line if you're going to add any lighting, and try to plan for that at this stage, so that you can put your lighting where you want it to be at. Obviously, if you do this method, there's nothing wrong with it. It still looks really good. But if you want a more inconspicuous type of look, you may want to keep in mind trying to plan for that now, instead of trying to plan for it once the house is assembled and you may have other types of details and whatnot inside the house. Also, everybody, please, if you enjoyed this video, please help me help you. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys can stay up on all the updates that I have coming on. Don't forget to follow me at FlashJonesTrains. They're on Instagram for those sneak peeks, updates, little knickknacks thereof. And till next time, everybody, keep it on the rails. All right, I'm Flash Jones. Catch you next time. I'm out.
Mission accomplished.